So again, my name is Jill. I'm the program director at Maui Nui Marine Resource Council, and our reef-friendly landscaping program was developed in an effort to reduce the use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides to reduce runoff onto our nearshore coral reefs. So we've been working with resorts, landscapers, hotels, condos, businesses, the county at their ball field, and done a number of test plots, which I worked with Jason on a couple years ago, and it's shown really successful. So we're just excited to have developed this course around some of those efforts. So this is, I think JD was part of that day when I was, yeah, I'm pretty sure you took that picture. That was at Keopulani Park at one of the T-ball fields spraying compost tea at one of our test plots. So we've certified properties throughout Maui County. You heard from Robert Woodman yesterday from the Four Seasons on Lanai. So he has the gold certification. Silver is Royal Lahaina, and also gold is Honokeona Cove up in Napili. And there's a few other properties that are starting to implement some of these practices and working towards that certification. But again, taking this course is that first step in achieving that for your property. So we're supporting professional development, we're supporting networking, getting the opportunity to share across properties. It's really great to be in Ka'anapali this weekend because you all work side by side, I think. And I think there's a huge opportunity to kind of overlap and share information in what you're doing. This course was developed from NOFA, the Northeast Organic Farming Association, and that course has an accredited organic land care professional course, but it's very much geared towards the Northeast of the United States and not very applicable or not as applicable to Hawaii, which is why we've brought in people who are actually doing the work here, taking the same sort of standards and content and applying it to Hawaii specifically. We want you to let nature be nature, let nature be natural and do its thing. The less inputs, the better. These are all of our instructors. Today you'll be hearing from Tamara, who's here from Maui Nui Botanical Gardens. You met her, very excited. And then Autumn and Shar and Robin will be speaking from Soil Thrive, and they're going to teach us how to make a compost tea, which is great. So the course requirements, attending all of the sessions. We went over your course practicum. So that is due again in 2 weeks, May 31st. Just send it to me over email. And if you have questions, of course, I'm always available. And if you want examples, I can send those out as well. And then tag us on social media. I don't know how active you all are on social media, but we want to see what you're doing on your properties as well. So you join RFL Network, you become a certified member. Our goal is to host more workshops in person and have more hands-on activities for you all to be a part of. And since you're taking this course, you'll be the first to know about it and get to see each other again. Be like, hey, remember that one time we sat at the Marriott and learned all of this great information all at once? So it's an opportunity to keep learning, keep growing. And as new practices are available, we want those to be available to you all as well. And then you can bring friends with you. So this was our agenda. And so timing for today, we've got 3 sessions, 8:30, 9:30, and 10:30. And then we'll have lunch a little bit earlier. And then we'll get to be outside for the rest of the afternoon. So if you want to bring things with you, then we can do that as well. Or if you want to leave things here, we can leave things here. So that's our plan for the day. Does anyone have any questions, or are we just so excited to get started? Okay, I will pull up Tamara's presentation. Okay, ready?
Jill, I have a question. As far as certifying the property as a reef-friendly landscaping centers, what are the requirements you have like that?
Yeah, so we have a list of requirements that I can send, and long story short, it's getting rid of all of the synthetic fertilizers, chemical pesticides, herbicides, and we do just kind of like a one-on-one audit. Like, we just want to see what's in your landscaping closet, basically. And then once we know what's in there, then we can help provide you with the alternatives to those products. And then we come back and check things out. We want to do soil samples as well, if you're interested in that, so then you can better target what your property needs. So we can just talk about it, but I can send you the requirements over email too. Yeah.